Hello you beautiful people, it's Liquid here giving you a warm welcome back, or a warm welcome to the channel. Whichever one it is, I have a nice cozy welcome for you. I hope you are doing well and fantastic wherever this video finds you today, and we are a little bit late with this. I was feeling under the weather for a couple of days, but thankfully normal service has been resumed. So this is the final video in the Reptar Aviation Museum content that I've been bringing you. The absolutely awesome museum located in Szolnok, Hungary, that I honestly cannot recommend enough. If you ever happen to find yourself in Budapest, it's located only an hour away by car, and definitely worth checking out. Although I'm sure you already know that by now, given just how much I have been praising this place. In this section we've been able to see some of the trainer aircraft used by the Hungarians, and it's also pretty cool to see an L-29 and an L-39 side by side, as well as the Mi-8T and the Mi-9 airborne command helicopter. Now we can go up top for an aerial view of the museum as we head up the control tower. A really fantastic viewing platform which felt like climbing a ladder, more so than stairs due to how steep they were, but it was definitely worth the ascent to get such a fantastic view from above. This gives you a great perspective of the museum and a top-down look at some of the aircraft. We move on to having a walk around of the surface-to-air missile collection they have here at the museum, with both launchers and missile carriers, along with the support equipment of command vehicles and radar as well. I realise I've said this in a lot of these videos now, but I think the overall collection here is really impressive, and you have such a fantastic variety of aircraft both inside and out. Especially with all the activities that you can do at the museum, it could really be turned into a fantastic day out, along with aircraft I wouldn't typically see in the UK, which really does make visiting places like this all the more special. So we have come to the end of the video and the end of our look around the Reptar Aviation Museum. And I just want to say a huge thanks for watching, and I really hope you have enjoyed exploring this museum with me. I will catch you in the next video, but until then, as always you beautiful people, please do take care and stay safe. This is LIKWID signing off.